So, good afternoon. First of all, I would like to thank Toppers and congratulate them for coming up with such a wonderful idea of guiding students through online, trying to solve the global crisis that is existing today. To start with my school, Podar, I'm Mrs. Ophelia Barreto, the principal of the school, and we had actually finished all our exams and we were starting academic year from 1st of April. So this online Toppers online has really helped our students a lot, because I think being Podarites, they are all techno savvy, and I think what we had seen or we are dreaming of future 2050, this is a glance or glimpse of it. So regarding recommendation to other principals, I would definitely try to help Indrajit to take forward this online help to the students as much as he can. Thank you very much.